Hey guys, and welcome to Science Lab. This is the 2018 unboxing of the Galaxy Note 3. It's been 5 years since Samsung made and released the Galaxy Note 3, and it's actually quite nice to take a look back at it and to see how things changed since these 5 years. This is the left side of the box, and as you can see, it says it's printed with soy ink. And also it is 100% recyclable because this box is made out of cardboard. On the side there's nothing, just the Samsung sticker. On the back you can see the color and also the serial number, which I'm not going to expose, but the color is rose gold black. And on the back is the information for the Note 3. As you can see, it has HSPA and also has LTE, which is not listed here. This is a quad-core processor. Depending on the spec, the version I have is the Qualcomm Snapdragon version, which is a quad-core processor. Others that get the N9000 model will get the Exynos with 8 cores, and this one has a 5.7-inch Super AMOLED display, a 13 megapixel back camera which actually shoots in 4K, and 2 megapixel front camera, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage. This one is also considered as a remote. A 3200 mAh battery. There's an S Pen, which is actually quite good, GPS, and full HD 1080p playback, and recording well. 4K is also possible with this one, so Android, Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, all this stuff. Okay, so let's open the box. The box has this, there's a cover to open the box here. So let's take the front plastic and take it out from here. Inside, release the phone, and figure this out. So you can see it reviews the phone. You can pull it out this plastic, take it out of the plastic, and here's the phone itself. And then inside here, normally what will be inside here will be the charger and also the headphones. Here I have the headphones, but I don't have the charger included. And if you get even further down into the box, you can see here's a quick start guide. And this quick start guide is literally useless actually, because most people already know how to use phones on an Android. This one is not useful. Anyways, at least it's included for those who probably may need it, but not me. Anyways, headset, actually this is not the original, this is only for showing. The original one is something like the Galaxy S4 or S5, trying to give you photos. And anyways, the main attraction is going to be the phone. There's the phone, and this is how it comes in the box, and you can see as information is listed here. I'm going to peel off this protective cover. Quite hard to remove, but in a while, just try to remove it. And there's the phone itself. Actually, this phone has a battery inside of the box that I put in, so basically the phone is already on. Alright, so you can see on the side we have a volume rocker, and on the bottom we have USB 3.0, a microphone, speaker. On the right we have a power button. At the top we have an auxiliary jack. At the back we have a 13 megapixel camera, and the end is missing, so not really a good sign. In the front there's a camera. It's 2 megapixels, not so good, but it's quite okay. You can take off the back cover here, as you can see. You can see the battery, which is really 2,200 mAh. This is a SIM slot, and also the micro SD card slot. And also this is supposedly where the S Pen is going to go, but on my unit, mine is missing. I have it, but I left it somewhere. But anyways, not that bad for the S Pen, I can get a replacement. Actually, the screen is really gorgeous. I really like the display. This 1080p display is really, really nice looking. I really like it. It's not bad, it's really nice. It's 1080p, and the quality of the display is not so bad. If you put a really good photo on it, a really nice HDR photo, it will stand out compared to other devices you can find for the mid-range prices. And also, this one does support NFC, so you can scan for payment services through some third-party applications. This one does not support Samsung Pay, so that's really not so good. Anyways, other softwares will work on this. This one does not have a fingerprint sensor, so basically you have to use password to unlock the phone. This one does not have iris scanner, definitely. This is a Fire phone. But anyways, this phone is really nice. I I mean, this is not a bad phone. Current pricing for a refurbished model for only $170 or even less, or probably a new one for $200 or even less. You can actually use this phone as a daily driver and will not have any complaints about it. Although sometimes Task Manager does show up, you have a lot of RAM being used up. But with a single click of a button, it will drop down the RAM usage, all those stuff, including your active applications, all those. And if that doesn't work, just restart your phone, and then everything will go back to normal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel. And also please share this video out to your friends to be notified, and goodbye.